Everyone knows those moments when little things become big challenges. We love little things. We love challenges. After all, we didn't get where we are because things are simple. We got where we are because of our love for details, our love for precision. You can feel our precision, but you can only see it through a microscope. We define true love for detail with unbeatable micro-precision, guaranteed. We optimize even the smallest of processes today using the ideas and technology of tomorrow. Precise perfection made in Germany. Everything we manufacture is the result of what we have conceived, what we have designed, what we do with love. And because every little detail fits, each of our products fits.